The type of touch that a dog loves best can vary from one individual to another, as each dog has its own preferences and sensitivities. However, many dogs enjoy gentle, soothing touches that promote relaxation and bonding. Here are some types of touches that dogs often enjoy. 1. Gentle petting. Most dogs enjoy being gently petted on their head, neck, and back. Use slow and soft strokes to create a calming effect. 2. Chin and ear rubs. Many dogs love having their chin and ears gently rubbed or scratched. This can be very soothing and pleasurable for them. 3. Belly rubs. If they like it. Some dogs enjoy belly rubs, but not all do. Be mindful of your dog's body language to determine if they enjoy belly rubs or prefer not to be touched in this area. 4. Massage. Just like humans, dogs can benefit from gentle massage. Use slow and gentle pressure to massage their muscles, which can help reduce stress and tension. 5. Hugging. Some dogs enjoy gentle hugs from their human companions. However, not all dogs like to be hugged, so pay attention to your dog's response to determine if they find it comforting or uncomfortable. 6. Chest and shoulder rubs. Dogs often enjoy having their chest and shoulders rubbed, especially if they are in a relaxed and trusting state. 7. Slow and calming touches. Dogs generally prefer slow and calming touches over fast or rough handling. Avoid sudden movements or anything that might startle or stress your dog. It's essential to observe your dog's body language and reactions to different types of touch to understand what they enjoy best. Some dogs may have specific areas they don't like to be touched, while others may have favorite spots that they find particularly enjoyable. Always respect your dog's boundaries and preferences, and remember that building trust and a positive bond is key to understanding and providing the best type of touch that your dog loves.